Let's go bowling. Today, bowling even has its own special day, National Bowling Day. It takes place on the second Saturday in August each year. It started out in 1956 in order to raise money for the Red Cross. At that time, millions of bowlers from across the U.S. came out for the cause. Interestingly, bowling was enjoyed by many U.S. presidents. In 1947, 2 lanes were set up in the West Wing of the White House as a gift for President Harry Truman's birthday. Although they were closed by President Eisenhower in 1955, other lanes were built by the staff in the White House. President Johnson and Nixon were also big fans of bowling. Bowling has also made an appearance in lots of movies and TV shows. On The Simpsons, main character Homer had a bowling team, the Pin Pals, with his boss. Perhaps the most famous movie related to bowling is The Big Lebowski. There, main character the Dude has a passion for bowling, and the movie is also centered on bowling culture. Anyone can play and enjoy this classic sport. So, why not get some friends together and head for your local lanes tonight?